To Judy's Cooking 360. Today we're making meatballs, turkey meatballs. So I have here a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce and an 8-ounce can. I like to have them rich and a lot of sauce, and 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. Give it that nice color. Here we go. I'm making the sauce first so we can have it ready, so when we make our meatballs we can just put it right in. Okay. Now, I have here a tablespoon of meat seasoning. You can use whichever one you like, your favorite meat seasoning. A tablespoon of sugar, just to tone down the acid in the tomato sauce. And we have a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I like a little cayenne, just to kick it up a little. It's like a half a teaspoon in my sauce, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, here we go. And the reason for making the sauce first, so that whenever we put the turkey meatballs together, our sauce will be ready and prepared. Now you have to let this come to like a simmer, because you really want it to be hot when you put your meatballs in. I'm just giving it a good stir so that it will be good. Alrighty. Now we're gonna cover this up and let that boil. Okay. And then, there we go. I have a 1 pound pack of ground turkey, lean ground turkey. And I have a 1/4 cup of, usually I use about a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 egg, at half a teaspoon of oregano and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You have to give it that rich flavor. Now, I have a half of an onion, which I'm just gonna put in the chopper, grind it up. 1 garlic. It's a big one. And I have just about 1/4 of a green bell pepper in here. And 1 stalk of celery. Let's just cut that up. We're gonna grind everything up and make her. Vegetables, get our vegetables in. Make a little you don't want it to, you want it to just grind up, not mushy, just enough to go in your meatballs. So here we are now, guys. Oh, as you can see, everything is fully cooked. Halfway through cooking, I turned off. I took a spoon and turned them. Just take a spoon and turn them halfway through cooking, which I did. And so now they're ready to be plated. I tell you what, I like putting my sauce first. Here I have some pasta that I made. Look how thick and rich and lovely that pasta is. Now, for me, I can only do one. So this, I'm gonna cover back up. Put to the side. I have some parsley here that I'm gonna put on here. Clean my plate up. And here we have it, guys. I'm gonna cut it and let you guys see the inside. Look at that. Look at that. That's what the inside looks like. And so now I'm going to taste it. It's hot, guys, really hot. But soft and delicious. So this is my turkey meatballs, guys. Hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching. Judy's Cooking 360.